Are you wondering why meditate and is it worth my time? In this video, I'm going to give you an introduction to meditation because when we understand the powerful benefits behind something, we are more likely to try it. And I'm also going to take you through a short guided meditation for mindfulness and stress relief. My name is Carla Santiago, a certified Qigong teacher and essential oil specialist. I combine the wisdom of these two ancient health modalities in today's modern world to reduce stress, increase vitality, and teach mind-body wellness tips for elevating our wellness journey. If you are looking for ways to consistently nurture mind-body wellness, hit the subscribe button and stick around to the end, and I'll share my free essential oils for stress and sleep resource. My story around meditation started around 25 years ago when I became intrigued and wanted to learn to meditate. But like so many others, I struggled to make it a habit or a priority and let life get in the way. It wasn't until several years ago that I took a course that gave me a great foundation to start a simple daily practice and really make it a habit that stuck. And since then, I've taken multiple courses and have adopted elements that resonate with me from different styles of meditation to have a solid practice that I really value and enjoy. Also, by taking multiple courses, I've come to know the deep benefits of meditation and that it is a non-negotiable practice for my wellness journey. In addition to my sitting practice, I love that my Qigong practice provides a moving meditation that certainly has benefits of meditation as well. So I recommend that you expose yourself to different styles and experiences around meditation. And I can't emphasize enough that meditation will certainly provide mind-body wellness benefits that are well worth the time to learn and develop a practice. What I'll be sharing in this video is some basic information that will help you see the value and then experience a short guided mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is simply a form of meditation that involves paying attention to the present moment with an open, non-judgmental attitude. It involves intentionally directing your attention to your thoughts, your emotions, and physical sensations and observing them without getting caught up in them or reacting to them. It's a great place to start if you are new to meditation or if you struggle with sitting in meditation. So first, why meditate? Well, here are some of the health benefits. Number one, reduce stress. Meditation has been shown to be an effective tool for reducing stress, and a regular practice can help individuals develop greater resilience to stress and better manage their emotional responses. Number two, improved sleep. Studies have found that meditation can improve the quality of our sleep. Number three, increased self-awareness. Meditation can help individuals develop greater self-awareness and insight into their own thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. This can lead to increased self-confidence and a greater sense of purpose. Number four, improved relationships. Regular meditation practice can help individuals develop greater empathy and compassion towards others, and this can improve relationships and social interactions. And number five, better physical health. Meditation has been linked to a number of physical health benefits, including lower blood pressure, reduced inflammation, and improved immune function. And finally, six, increased happiness and well-being. So as you can see, meditation affects every aspect of our being: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. And thanks to neuroscience, we can actually see the changes that are happening in the brains of meditators. Meditation has been shown to have a variety of benefits for the brain, which can be observed through neuroscientific studies. One of the most notable benefits is an increase in gray matter in areas of the brain associated with attention, learning, and memory. This suggests that regular meditation practice can lead to improvements in cognitive function and overall brain health. Additionally, meditation has been found to decrease activity in the default mode network, which is the part of the brain associated with mind wandering. This decrease in activity may be responsible for the increased sense of focus and present moment awareness that many meditators report. And research has also shown that meditation can lead to changes in brain wave patterns, specifically an increase in alpha waves, which are associated with relaxation and mental alertness. This suggests that meditation can be a useful tool for reducing stress and anxiety and improving overall mental well-being. And finally, studies have found that meditation can increase the size of the hippocampus, a part of the brain associated with learning, memory, and emotion regulation. This suggests that meditation may be an effective tool for improving emotional regulation and reducing the risk of cognitive decline in later in life. So let me ask you, are you ready to experience a guided meditation for mindfulness? First, let's go over some of the specifics. I like to meditate first thing in the morning when I'm fresh and awake and the house is quiet. When I meditate in the afternoon, I sometimes fall asleep or it doesn't happen because I didn't make it a priority in the morning. So find a time that is beneficial for you and your schedule. You don't want to meditate during a time that there will be disturbances, and you also don't want to meditate after you've had coffee or alcohol. You want to find a comfortable place to sit with your back supported and your head free. Your hands can be in a relaxed position in your lap. And of course, as an essential oil enthusiast, I love to combine the benefits of an essential oil with my meditation practice. You don't have to have an essential oil to have an effective meditation, but it does add some additional benefits. There are several great options to choose from. The one that I'm going to talk about today is one of my favorites, frankincense. Frankincense is one of the most prized and precious essential oils due to its rich aroma and extensive benefits. It has been used for centuries for its calming and grounding effects on the mind and body. When used during meditation practice, frankincense can help create a calming and peaceful environment, which can aid in relaxation and focus. Frankincense is also known for its ability to deepen the breath, which is an important aspect of many meditation practices. By promoting deeper, more relaxed breathing, frankincense can help to induce a state of relaxation and ease. Additionally, the scent of frankincense is often associated with spirituality and introspection, making it a popular choice for meditation and mindfulness practice. So if you have your oil of choice, you can either diffuse it near you or put a drop or two in the palm of your hands and smell the aroma before applying it topically. Now let's begin our practice. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position with your back supported and your head free. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with air, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Allow your eyes to close or soften, and bring your awareness to your breath as you start to breathe in through your nose and out of your nose. Continue breathing slow and deep. As you slow down your breathing, allow your mind to slow down as well. Focus on your breathing and notice the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Let your thoughts and worries drift away. With each inhale, imagine that you are breathing in peace and calm. And with each exhale, imagine that you are releasing any tension or negative energy from your body, sending it down to the earth to be composted. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine that you are surrounded by a warm, comforting golden light that radiates from within you and fills the space around you. Allow this light to envelop you, bathing you in a sense of peace, tranquility, safety, and well-being. If a thought enters your mind, recognize it and gently put your attention back on your breath and the comforting golden light that surrounds you. Now bring your awareness to your body, starting with your toes and slowly moving up to the crown of your head. With each breath, release any tension or discomfort in each part of your body, allowing it to become soft, relaxed, and at ease. Take a couple more breaths as you finish scanning your body. Now begin to sense an internal smile in your heart space, filling your heart with gratitude, and think about 3 things that you are grateful for in this moment. As you think of those 3 things, really feel the gratitude that it brings you. You can even put your hands over your heart for a deeper connection with the feelings of gratitude. Take a few final deep breaths, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and at peace. How was your experience? Please let me know in the comments. You can come back to this meditation anytime and share it with someone you think will appreciate it. And now I invite you to download my free essential oils for stress and sleep resource to promote mind-body wellness throughout your day by clicking the link in the description. You will also find a link to more information about frankincense in the description of this video, as well as a link to doTERRA's unique quality and sourcing of essential oils. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more mind-body wellness videos, and sending you much peace. Thank you for watching.